What the fuck was that? Something just came past the house and just shook the house. It felt like an earthquake. It was horrible. And I just come outside and seen this. I don't know what it is.
I don't know if anybody else just saw this shit shoot across the sky, but something just exploded in the atmosphere and left this.
What the fuck is that?
Holy shit. Hey, time's now the world ending, you know.
Oh my gosh!
Boy, watch what you do.
Wait.
While I watch this shit.
Boy.
What the fuck that is?
Oh my god, this is so pretty!
People on the road, stop it.
Everybody fucking pull. Hey, I need you to give me a video of that. What the fuck? Wind down the window, wind down the window, get a better one.
This is so pretty. You said the world ended?
No, I was joking, I was saying how times now we looking at this like this is something cool. World fucking ended. What the fuck? There's no one behind me, right?
What the fuck is going on? What the hell?
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. Vehicles pitching downrange.
I see a little speck. Did it blow up?
Did they explode?
It blew up.
Yeah.
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 Holy shit. That's some of that debris could land on us. Yeah. Holy schmoly. Wow. Wow. All over the place.
It came back down to Earth perfectly. It was caught in the chopsticks. There's the maneuver right there. What happened was, apparently, once they were up in space and you saw the booster rocket separate from Starship, Starship then had to essentially, hit the gas, if you will, right? They had to light their engines to go on further into orbit. Something went wrong, and apparently that's when they lost all comms, all telemetry with Starship. Let's hasten to add, this is an unmanned, or more politically correct, uncrewed vehicle. There's nobody on board right now. And this is what a test flight is all about, right? They want to see if they can prove this technology works, because this is the future of NASA. Essentially, eventually they want to use these rockets and Starship's entire mechanism, if you will, to create an in-orbit refueling depot where literally they would bring ships full of fuel, kind of orbit them around the Earth, and then eventually they would use that fuel to power a spaceship that goes all the way to the Moon or Mars. And they would also be using versions of Starship to go to the Moon and to Mars. So the entire architecture for getting to the Moon and beyond is based largely on success with Starship and SpaceX. So this test today was critical. A big part of it worked perfectly, bringing the booster down. They were never planning to get Starship back.
Okay, so this is my question. They knew they wanted to reuse these boosters. That's a critical part for efficiency in their push into space moving forward. But that was the question of Starship. They were never expecting to get it back anyway.
They knew that they were going to lose Starship, but they wanted to bring it down over the Indian Ocean. In fact, they had a Gulfstream that was flying in the Indian Ocean to capture video of it on re-entry. It appears it didn't get that far, if in fact it did break up over the Turks and Caicos. So now this is going to be a SpaceX investigation, an FAA investigation. They've got to investigate whenever there's any mishap at all. And this may delay the next Starship test flight. Is it a setback for SpaceX? Yes, but they've had tremendous success up until now, and clearly great success by bringing the booster down.
Tom Costello, boy, talk about more developments in just the last 40 minutes or so since we were last together. Tom, thank you very much for being with us and for all that context.